Today, I've got arguably the best fall fashion haul I think I've ever featured on this channel. I'm talking $50 suits, cute printed denim, amazing quality boots for $50, super chic outfits that you would never guess are from today's sponsor, Walmart. If you guys have been around, you guys know I'm a huge Walmart fan. Brandon Maxwell, the creative director for Scoop and Free Assembly, has been whipping out some amazing classics, and I'm here to show you some pieces not only for casual, but also extremely good options for work. So as always, I'll be linking all the details down below, and if you guys want some more affordable fashion, please let me know down below with a like and a comment. I love you, and let's get started. I'm gonna include timestamps down below of the different sections, by the way, so you guys can hop around, but let's go ahead and get started with the denim. So here I have some extra large cuffed yet raw hemmed contrasting denim. Now, I'm back in the South, and I think this is such a vibe. I normally wouldn't gravitate towards a pair like these because I am all about the professional, refined, sophisticated, blah, 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 but I think these have such a cool street style edge. It's got kind of like this warm, faded look. Here I've paired this with the Scoop tank top, which honestly was a surprise hit. This t-shirt was only $8. It's super stretchy, nice and fitted baby tee. For an $8 t-shirt, I'm pretty impressed with how opaque the whiteness of this is. You could also cuff it just a little bit if you want it shorter, but I paired these jeans with some simple black accessories, a black leather belt, purse, and some pumps for some elevation, make it a little bit sexy. And the jeans are really nice and lightweight and stretchy. Can I do a high kick? Ow. I think together it just elevates the simple white t-shirt, plain jeans. So I'm gonna keep this white t-shirt on. I'm gonna show you this other pair of denim that is so dope. I was like, am I cool enough to wear this? But it looks really sick on. These are these olive and black animal print barrel leg jeans. Barrel leg has just really taken over in terms of jean silhouettes the past couple years. This one is a longer, more full length version, and I just think it looks really slick and pops on just like a simple t-shirt like this. Throw a belt on here like this. I'm just always so into the really tight, high-waisted pants, and to have these be high-waisted, but still kind of like low slung and very like, I think it's really cute and definitely a nice experimental piece. I did a video, by the way, about how to separate your closet so that it's not boring. And I mentioned a 10% experimental portion of your closet. And this is very much something I would include in there because it's not breaking the bank, but it's something totally different. The color scheme is still neutral and earth tone, just the way I have the rest of my closet. So obviously it looks so good with my basic black accessories like this. Or you can match it with this adorable baby doll peplum top. So I love this top. It's so flowy. The deep V-neck is really flattering. It's so flirty and girly with like the shape, but it's like olive animal print. And of course the denim still has a lot of good fluidity. I don't know how I feel about it with the pants. Can you guys let me know if it looks good or bad down below in the comments? I think that if you're going for a maximalist look, like this looks so like high-end designer cool without like breaking the bank again. You can just rock something really unique for a special occasion or just start to incorporate it with your basics. I'm gonna show you real quick what this looks like with regular jeans so you can look at a more balanced color with the top. Next, we need to talk about dresses. And we need to talk about this one. This is so my style. I love elegant, sleek dresses, and I love things that are really versatile. So this is a sweater dress. It's sleeveless. It's got full buttons all the way to the top, so you could adjust your modesty. It looks amazing, simple and plain. I have it in this herbal sage green color, and I also have it in classic black. I think this dress was only $32. For casual, you could just wear it very plain like this. I've got this gorgeous like brown suede bag with some leather cognac slides. This is like transitional weather from summer to fall, very casual, everyday running errands, but like again, just very sleek and has some color. Or you can dress this up for the office or formal occasion. Get a belt, some heels, so chic, so versatile. It's really slimming and it just looks amazing. I love this dress. And then for our final dress, this is a really cool smash up of a shirt dress, a short A-line silhouette, and then it's a bubble hem, which has also been really popular. It's in just the waist. It's very crispy and lightweight, good for the warmer weather right now. And we're gonna leak into the next category, which is the shoes. You guys, I am so particular about shoes, not only because I have 12 toes, that's not a joke, but they've gotta be comfortable, and a lot of the times, affordable shoes really lacks in the quality, the comfort, and like the overall finish. But the Scoop boots this season are so high rated for a reason. These are these basket woven knee-high riding boots. I have the burgundy color, it also comes in black and dark brown. Oh my gosh, they are so comfortable. They have like a nice softened square toe. They look so cute with dresses, skirts, pants. Like for under $55, these are such a steal. Okay, so this has to be my favorite look in the entire video. So you guys know I love the boring black blazer, but it is hard to find ones that fit absolutely perfectly. This one is the slightly oversized blazer. It's got these like royal crested black buttons, and it has this asymmetrical, almost like tuxedo cut to it. So the second I put this on, obviously it looks good by itself. You could wear it with jeans and a white t-shirt, which I'm gonna show you on the side screen here with our Walmart jeans from earlier. But my favorite, how I would wear this for going out, is to button this up. I got a little pair of like skirts underneath, and then we belt this baby to create a cinch. I don't care if I'm 90 years old, you're gonna see me in some variation of this. I love this. It's like CEO, gone party girl. We've got some amazing boots to go with these. This is a faux croc patent black pointed square toe boot that has a kitten heel, which makes it super walkable. Again, even with my chicken legs, these are very proportional and very slouchy and chic. I'm in love. I cannot believe these boots are like 55 bucks. Run, don't walk. I love these, literally and metaphorically. Okay, so before we end with the suits, I have to call out this jacket. This is a puffy, oversized, yet cropped bomber jacket. It's members only, but also like a winter jacket. Well, maybe like fall jacket. I love this super dark navy color, and it also comes in an olive color, but I had so much green, so I went with this one. I think it looks amazing with denim because it is blue. It's got this comfortable elasticized bottom to create that cinch like a bomber jacket. It's so soft and plushy. I'm pretty impressed with the decent insulation. You've got pockets on the side. I think for a fall to winter puffy jacket, this is so chic. I've got more of like a casual, quirky look with not only the jeans, but also these boots. Oh, we're getting a workout today, guys. Look at this. If you're not into the tall boots and you want like ankle boots, this is a really walkable pair. Patent burgundy, under $55, a nice pop of color, and then I brought in just like an old brown bag to complement that. So, and we still have the same white t-shirt on. I'm gonna rock it for the rest of the video. So let's keep going. Okay, now this is a rare find. A $20 blazer with $30 slacks for a matching suit. I love to see this. I am such an advocate for women looking their best and their excellence and succeeding in the workplace. To have an actual good looking, tailored, quality suit for under $50, where you don't need to dish out thousands of dollars for an Italian blah, 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 blah. I love to see it. So this one is in the dried rosemary color. I love that it's more of a muted, elegant, more professional green. We've got really nice sleek lapels. The little, oh, is this a real pocket? Oh God, it's a real pocket. Don't tell me these are functional pockets too down here. We got real pockets. We got the pocket square pocket. We got pockets on the pants. I mean, I got nothing else to say. A suit is so essential for your work wardrobe, you guys. Obviously together, if I'm doing a presentation, this is totally appropriate. If this needs to be an interview, I would do a button-down shirt underneath, but casually you can wear this blazer for so many different occasions. This looks great with the jeans from earlier in the video. You could wear these pants with a, you know, a black top, something sexy for date night. Very, very versatile thing to have. And I'm speaking low and serious because I think this is so great that there's options like these out there for people. I got nothing else to say. What do you guys think, huh? Okay, so obviously I love pinstripe. I'm a menswear freak, and this navy color is so classic. I'm actually really impressed with the quality of the fabric. It's really nicely lined. I'm wearing the same $8 white tee like the rest of this video to bring out the lightness in the stripes. And then for the bottoms, you have the option of this super cool pleated A-line swing midi skirt. It has this cute little matching belt here that looks really like deconstructed and cool with the belt hoops. Or you can wear this blazer with the matching high-waisted wide leg pants. The pants have a thicker matching belt, but it still has that disheveled kind of like undone look to it that gives it more edge. This blazer, just like the olive suit, you can wear this and it looks great with the jeans too. So again, play with the separates, and this is a nice 3-piece rotation between the wide leg trousers, this really nice pleated midi skirt, and then also the blazer. Separate them, smash them together. You got some great options, and this navy pinstripe is never gonna go out of style. Like classic forever. Great investment. Okay, so I hope you guys like the outfits today. Let me know which one is your favorites down below in the comments. Hopefully you guys found some pieces that will really enhance the fall season without killing your wallet. And I love you guys so much. More life updates coming soon. I'm in a new city, new relationship, new life. I can't wait to take you guys along with me. Thank you for being here. Thank you to Walmart for sponsoring today's video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.